Hello students, in this video we are going to see Menelaus theorem. So in Menelaus theorem, this is the statement of the theorem: a necessary and sufficient condition for the points P, Q are on the respective sides of BCCA AB or their extension to be collinear. So in this statement it is given ABC is a triangle, ABC is a triangle and AB, BC, CA are the three sides of a triangle, and these 3 points P, Q are on the respective sides. So I am going to draw the diagram. See here, it is very simple. This is, we can take it as ABC is a triangle, and the necessary and sufficient condition for the points P, Q are on the respective sides to be collinear. So the 3 points P, Q, R must to be collinear. So P, Q and PQ and this is Q. See here, these 3 points should be collinear. It should be a straight line. Collinear means 3 or more points lying on a same straight line. So these 3 points must be a straight line. So before we do this theorem, I would like to explain what is Sievers theorem. There is a theorems of congruency we have studied. So A, B, C or A, B, C. This is P, Q, R, BP by BC, BP by BC into CQ by CQ by QA into AR by RB is equal to 1. So this is the congruency theorem, Sievers theorem. So see here, and one more thing you have to understand: AB is a line, point P divides the line segment AB internally. So this 2:1. If suppose P divides the line AB into 2 in the ratio of 2:1, how we will write? AP by BP is equal to 2/1. So AP is to BP is equal to 2:1. Similar, we will write like this. If P divides this, here P divides the points internally. If suppose P divides the line AB externally, how we will write? We will write it as negative. We will when we write in the negative direction externally, we will write it as negative, because you have studied the section formula. Section formula what is the difference between the formula of internal and the external in the section formula? So internal, if the P divides the line internally, we will use the formula plus formula use பண்ணுவோம். If P divides externally, mx2 minus, so we will use the minus formula because it comes in negative. So if it divides externally, we will take the opposite direction. so we will use negative. So here also, see here, BP by PC is equal into C. ஒருவேளை Q இங்கே இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, இந்த 3 பாயிண்ட் இங்கே இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த ஃபார்முலா Q, suppose Q is here, if suppose Q is here, Q is not here, if it is here, Q இங்கே இல்லாமல் இங்கே ஒருவேளை இருந்துச்சுன்னா, if it is here, CQ by QA into AR by RB is equal to 1 using the congruence theorem, Sievers theorem. But here internal divide பண்ணாமல் Q divides this, the extension. So Q இங்கே divide பண்ணாமல் it divides externally. CQ by QA. So Q இங்கே இருந்துச்சுன்னா +1. Q divides, this is coming opposite direction. Q divides this line AC externally, so negative symbol, minus. Because of that only here we are using the negative sign. So I think you are all clear about the Menela's theorem. It is very simple. So எதுக்கு இங்கே நெகட்டிவ் போட்டிருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு I hope you all understood clearly. Because of the extension, because of Q divides AC externally, we are using minus symbol. Okay.